SHEIN haul. It's a big one, so grab a snack, a drink. I have a lot to show you, so let's get comfortable. I have 2 weddings to attend. I didn't know which dress to get, so I got like 8 or 9. I'm probably gonna do a try on tomorrow. And I bought some makeup and beauty stuff, so I'm gonna start with the dresses. So the first one is a really nice flowy dress. It's a red that I usually don't wear because I don't like this kind of red. I feel like it doesn't really suit me. The dress itself is really nice. It's very flowy. I'm gonna insert a picture right here so that you can see what it looks like. It has like this Scandinavian scarf, right? The design of the dress is really nice, but like I said, the color kind of iffy about it. The second dress, I expected it to be a little bit more sage, but that's like a very light green. I still like it. I like the design. It's really flowy and it's very thick. It's not giving cheap. And again, the Scandinavian scarf. Next we have this beautiful icy blue. I usually don't go for dresses that have that many folds, and you know those folds that go in the butt? It's still not the type of dress that I would go for. The top area is really nice and the color is really nice. Next we have a red dress, and that's usually the red I would go for. This one has like a corset design and I really liked it online. Super long. It looks like a very nice elegant dress. I had an idea because it has like this scarf part, and I was gonna do it like this, like a sari. I'm not sure. Next dress, I expected it to be like a terracotta color because that's what it said online, but it's giving brown, giving the same vibe that I was going for. We have a navy dress. It looks blue on the camera, but it's actually navy. I've never worn a navy dress in my life, so I really wanted to go like out of my comfort zone. This one has like a halter neck situation, very long, and it's giving elegant but like simple elegant. Can't wait to try this one. We have a brown dress. This does not give wedding, but it's still a very nice dress that I'm probably gonna bring to my trip. I really like brown on me nowadays. Like I never thought I'd like brown on me. That's a good add-on to my closet. I said I really wanted brown in my closet. I bought this brown dress with a very nice back. The material is giving a bit like, how can I say that? Like cheap skims. It's not giving like wedding, so I would probably not wear this for the weddings. I'm probably gonna keep it. The last dress is not a wedding dress. I'm on a honeymoon. I call it honeymoon because I'm going with my honey, but we already went on our honeymoon. Very like backless, buttery yellow dress. So as I saw it online, I was like, okay, I need this dress. It's so cute. Done with the dresses. This very simple white top, and it goes like this. Off shoulder. And I bought these work pants. It's a very nice quality. Like I did not expect this to be such a nice quality. I needed new work pants. I bought another work pants, but this one, the quality is so bad. I'm gonna like try it on. I got a few bikinis, but see the point of showing that. I went crazy with the beauty products also. I had no reason except the fact that I just wanted them. It's gonna be a long haul. I really hope I can make it in one part because I hate when people do like multiple parts of something they could have just made in one video. I got a few stuff for my trip. I bought this perfume container. I'm gonna bring my whole perfume collection, just one. I'm gonna associate that smell to my trip. And I bought this metal soap paper, basically soap in paper. I think it's really useful when you go on trips and you don't always have soap. It smells one. Oh, it smells really good. It looks like this. As soon as you mix it with water, it becomes soap. I keep one in my purse. Also bought these containers to put like my foundation, cream, sunscreen, night cream, all of that. This jewelry box. It's a very simple box. Bought this to put my vitamins and supplements, and I think I'm gonna put like Tylenols and other meds that we might need on our trip. I'm also gonna keep this in my purse. I bought this makeup bag. Don't judge. I'm gonna make it look cute, but I just wanted like a bag where I can just throw my stuff in. So it looks like this. And then when you open, it just opens flat. So like you have all your makeup. There's 2 sections, but it's this because this is not technically a separator. I'm thinking of putting my brushes in that section, putting the rest of my makeup here. Hair clips, just when I do the curls. I want to set the curl. I'm gonna do jewelry. These nose rings, they're fake and I don't have an actual piercing. I do wear a lot of fake nose rings. I always end up losing them. So I used to buy like one for $1, but this one has like 30 for $1. I already have this nose ring, but I bought another one. This one is like less simple. It has like little studs over here, and it goes really nice with like desi clothes. Last nose ring, when I actually saw it on a Punjabi influencer on TikTok. Her name is Lucky. She looks so pretty with that. I love it. Then I got 3 rings and a hand bracelet. Whenever I buy jewelry from SHEIN, I make sure that it's real silver. This is what it looks like. This is the one ring I was so excited for. I think I started my cart just because of this ring. It's so pretty. I'm so happy I got this ring. This is also a ring I've been wanting to get for such a long time. I also got this hand chain. Looks really nice. So happy about the jewelry. I already like feel more feminine. Got this very simple nail set. Also, I think it was $1 or something. Then I got a bunch of lashes. The usual that I wear, the manga lashes. Except it has like more dramatic ones, wispy ones. And I also got these ones with a thicker lash band just to have that wing effect. There's some regular lashes that I usually cut into pieces and then I glue them under my real lashes, not for the makeup part, which is my favorite part. So I got a few brushes, actually really soft. A bigger one, a medium one, and then a smaller one. Really feels like high-end. And a very tiny one in the crease, or use it like a highlight here. Got a bunch of SHEIN Glam makeup. First off, I got a liquid bronzer. I actually use SHEIN Glam blushes every single day in all of my videos. I use them religiously. I really wanted to get a bronzer shade as well. This is in the shade Maple. Ooh, I like that. Oh, it blends so easily. Oh my god. I love that. My goodness. Wow. Wow. I got 2 lip liners. Mojave, I think. That's the kind of lip liner I go for. It has like a reddish undertone. Oh, yes. The pencil lip liner should be the same shade. I feel like it's a less creamier. I think it's gonna last longer. Yeah, this one's gonna last longer. It's a little bit difficult to apply. Forgot I bought this, but I bought a freckle pen. Ooh, it looks really natural. And that's in this shade Dark Chocolate. Love this. Last but not least, I got a blush. This blush, I've been seeing this on TikTok for the longest time. In the shade Don't Pink Twice, and it's a pink blush, of course. It looks like this. It's a very bright pink. I hope it's gonna look nice on me. Very pigmented. That is insane. It's such a nice blush. Look at the payoff. That is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm in love with this blush. It reminds me of the Maybelline blush that I have, the one Shelby Ann recommended. A little more subtle. My new favorite blush. I think in this haul, this is my favorite thing. Anyways, I'm done with my haul. I hope you enjoyed. You guys are gonna help me pick 2 dresses for my 2 upcoming weddings.